G'day guys, I'm out this afternoon to do some small game pest control. I've got the air rifle, let's see how we go. I always get asked what I'm shooting, so might as well cover it. It's an FX Impact Mark III, chambered in 22 cal, 600mm barrel. I've got a whole heap of Sabre Tactical upgrades on there. On top of it, I've got a PARD DS35. That's a digital day-night scope with ballistic capability. Very handy on the air rifle. Ammunition-wise, if you could call it that for an air rifle, I'll be shooting 23 grain Zan slugs at about 950 feet per second. When I do get into some of these sheds, I've got a bit of work to do in a chicken coop. I'll be turning the air rifle right down and shooting 15.89 grain JSB Hades, only at about 650 feet per second, so I don't damage any infrastructure. As for tripod, I always get asked that as well. I'm running a Leupold Mark V 455, so big solid 40mm carbon fibre legs. It's very rigid. I don't normally shoot out of my car, but what I'm finding is these birds, the minute you get out and take a shot, they all fly off and they just do loops and loops and loops because I'm standing there waiting for them to land again. When I'm in the car though, shooting out the driver's window, the birds just do one lap and land again. They're used to the vehicle, so I'm certainly racking a few up, Indian miners and wild pigeons. Let's keep going. I've got a very diverse list of target animals on this job. Rats, rabbits, pigeons, Indian miners, starlings, there could be the odd crow about as well. That's certainly unusual, the things you see. I've just had an elderly gentleman, very friendly, go past on his mobility scooter. I've got no idea what he's out here for, but anyway. Absolutely stunning sunset out here this evening. I'm just hiding in amongst a whole heap of farm machinery, getting a few angles on these Indian miners. I think I just got 2 for 1. We'll have to watch the replay though. These air rifles can be slow to load with these 27-shot magazines, so I use these stud mag loaders, fill them up at home. Just makes things a little bit easier instead of placing 27 pellets individually. Key that in right. Full mag. Doesn't get much better than that. I've already turned the tune down on my gun and commenced operations on a heap of rats and birds in the sheds. Look at the filthy mess these pigeons have been making in this shed. There is bird shit on everything. Pull up those doors. I've got a couple up in there, a couple up in there, and a heap in the roof, so it's pretty good. It's like playing whack-a-mole shooting these rats. They've got all these little pop holes that they keep disappearing down into. A cool little guy on the gate. I've got my 17 HMR out here tonight as backup with the thermal scope, and I've just spotted a cat. Check this out. Another black panther down. Happy with that. One of the little 17 HMR. For all the muppets, no, it's not a pet, it's a feral animal. They do a lot of damage in Australia, and I know, it's not a black panther, it's just a feral cat, so get over that. That's one very full esky. From here on, it's purely pest control, and the animals I do get will go in a pit. I've already turned the gun down. I've pumped it back up because there's more rabbits. Now there's more rats. So I couldn't actually be bothered turning it down. These ones are going to cop 23 grain slugs. Pretty sure they'll be up to the task, to say the least. We've gone to red mode on this rodent. Certainly a fair bit of damage on his cranium. I've just whacked a couple of rats in this chicken coop. Look at those big fat bastards up there. I thought I'd exert myself and drag some of these together. They're a bit easier than pigs. This guy's up in here chasing all my pigeons off at night. Pretty cool though. This little FX and the PARD, it's certainly on song. 100+ yard shots, don't seem to be too much of a trouble tonight. Quick mag refill. There's certainly no shortage of rabbits out here tonight. Charge the cylinder on the rifle back up. I run this ShootAir 10 litre composite tank. Works really well. Let's get back into it. That's been a very eventful afternoon and evening. If you did like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Ensure you subscribe to the channel with the bell icon on. I'd appreciate it if you'd like to have a look at my Patreon, and I'll see everyone next time.